Hello, hello, hello. I'm Mandy. This is Mental Health and Makeup with Mandy. And today I'm actually talking about something that I recommend for the fall season. I haven't used it yet, but I know Glamlite's quality. So listen. For us broke ass bitches, this is Broke Ass Bitches Unite. I don't know if it should be this. That's been used. Maybe we should do something else like ooh, ooh, ooh. I don't freaking know. But in the broke ass bitches community, this is the small Michaela palette and the Pat 2. And our lovely Michaela, isn't she beautiful? Holy wow, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And this is at CVS right now on CVS online for 15 bucks. Now, this makes a perfect little Christmas gift for anybody. Look at the beautiful fall palette. Look at these colors. Look at how fantastic this is. So exciting that this was 15 bucks from CVS. You gotta be kidding me. I can't believe Glamlite is in CVS. That's so amazing. Now, the big one was sold out on the CVS website, but the small one remains, folks. And if you look at this gorgeous little mirror, it's felt. If you can see that, I don't know if you can see that, the fuzzy felt. But think about it. This is your all the way through the holidays palette. This is perfect for the holidays, perfect for the fall. It's just gorgeous. And I can't believe I finally have a Michaela palette. Her first one I wanted so bad, and then I wanted the second one too, but you know, money is always a problem for us broke ass bitches. So that's why I think it's so cool that they put it in CVS so that us poor bitches can participate. We're gonna start with this beautiful green. You guys know I have a thing for greens, so of course we're gonna use some of the green shades. And let's get started. I'm going to use a mirror from Il Maquillage. I'm using the mirror from that. I like these tiny little mirrors. I feel like I can get in a little bit closer. Before we get started on the eyeshadow, just pause, time out. And before we get started on the eyeshadow, I want to tell you about a way to shave some years off if you are getting up there like myself. We can shave some years off by cutting the foundation out of our routine, and the way that you can do that is with some cream products. So I just used this Maybelline Activewear Super Stay 30-hour concealer. I put it on my eyes and underneath my eyes. I got this in Ipsy for September. This is from Alley-Oop. This is just a little cream bronzer, blush, and highlight palette. It's actually super cool, and I like the layout of it. It's very easy to work with. I think it would be fantastic for taking on vacation, especially. Freshen up the blush a little bit because I got some on my fingers. It's a really pretty tone of blush too. So I used those cream products and just that little bit of concealer, and I don't have a whole lot of unevenness on my face. I have some freckles and whatever, but that's actually super cute. And then I just used a little bit of Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Filter powder underneath the eyes and on the rest of the face. So we used a little bit of that. I'm still using and loving from She Glam that double-ended eyebrow pencil. And then, of course, our go-to for everything, especially fall, is Mannequin. It's perfect for my skin tone. It's fantastic. And that's what I have on the lips. So I feel like when I do less makeup, I feel like I look younger. So that's just a little tidbit. I'm just saying. Okay, so we're gonna continue with Michaela here. I've got that light green on my brush. Get out this mirror, and we're gonna go on the inside with the light green. Look at how pretty. This is like a sage kind of green. Look at how pretty. If anybody tells you that you're over a certain age, so you can't use color anymore, or shimmer, or you can't put those butterfly clips in your hair, you tell them to keep their eyes on their own paper, sister. Because you can do graphic liner, you can do neons, you can do butterflies, you can do color, you can do whatever you want at any age. It's kind of why I really wanted to do this fabulous over 40 contest, because you're only as old as you feel, and I feel like I'm 19 most days. Now some days I feel like I'm 85. That's true. That really happens. But I just think people are so quick to tell everybody what they can and cannot do, and it doesn't matter what age you are. If you want to wear them big old lightning earrings, you wear them big old lightning earrings, okay? So that light green was called Soft Center. We're going to go on to Workaholic, which is the emerald green color. I love it. It's so pretty. Look at how pretty that green is. And we are just going to kind of dab at first. Oh my stars. Look at how pretty that green is. Now I'm using a great big, it's like a fluffy brush, but it's densely packed, which is great for stamping on color, and it's also great for an easy, quick blend out, because you can blow it out really, really quickly. And look at how effortless it is to get that super highly blended look. That's not just from the brush, also the quality of the shadows will do that. Blend and snap. I think we're gonna go in with this dark, I don't know if it's like a plummy brown. I think it's a plum color. We're gonna put that underneath, because I think it'll look super pretty. And I think I'm right. If you know where this phrase comes from, I love it when a plan comes together. If you know, you know. Comment down below. I'm just saying. Okay, I am in love with how easily that blended. This liner, now it's kind of a yellow, but with greens it'll flash like it'll look like neon green, I think. So let's see. Yep, it looks kind of neon green. I like it. Right? Yes. Now we're going to take one of my only Sigma brushes. This is the F70 from Sigma. Fancy. So, oh, by the way, that was tea time that we put underneath the lash line. Now we're going to go in with Blossom, that light green. And we're going to put that in this inner corner area. Oh, that was Blossom, and now we are going for January 23rd, which must be Michaela's birthday. I don't know. I didn't watch the video. I'm so sorry. It's just that I don't have enough time. I think she's amazing and talented, and, you know, we support however we can, right? Okay, and now we're going to put this gorgeous emerald. Oh my God, look at how beautiful that is. If this isn't perfect for Christmas, I don't know what is. Holy. I'm going to make sure that it looks amazeballs, and it does. Okay, I wanted to be a little creative, so I took the shade, the Butterfly, the Duochrome, on a flat brush, and I winged it from the corner of the eye out. And it is like a blue shift purple gorgeousness. I think that that looks really cool. I might even say that we should do it above. Let's try it right above the crease and just drag it back. By stamping, I just mean that I took my brush loaded with Workaholic, and I literally just stamped it into the corner there, deepening up both corners and kind of just perfecting the look. Wow, wow, wow. Broke Ass Bitches Unite. This palette is gorgeous. It's perfect for fall, through holiday, even into the winter months. This could be your palette for the next 6 months until, you know, pastels for spring, and you even have some of that. So if you're one of those people that buys one palette here and there, I would say this is the one to get. Personally, I know I've only used it once, and how could I possibly know, but I promise you, I'm not wrong. $15. If you have a Care Pass with CVS, you get free shipping. It was only $5 for me to ship it. I don't know what happened to my Care Pass membership. I don't really care, truth be told. CVS doesn't usually have a lot of the makeup that I want, and I get my prescriptions filled at my work now, so I'm I don't have much occasion to go to CVS, but just the fact that they offered this online is just so amazing to me. And I think that if you have not tried this yet, you should really do that. You should do yourself that favor. Do stuff for you, and make sure that you're attending to your mental health. These videos and doing my makeup and all of this is very therapeutic for me. It's getting me through some really, really hard times that I have right now. And I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. Fabulous Over 40 voting will start soon. Much for watching. Take care of yourself. I'll see you on the next one.